These websites? Built without a single line of code. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a $100,000 website in just minutes using 3 powerful tools: no code, no hassle, all AI. Let's get started.
Not too long ago, building a website required a team, a programmer to code, a designer to make it look good, a project manager to oversee the whole process, and months of back and forth to finish it. But now, with cutting-edge no-code platforms and AI, you can build a fully functional, high-value website in hours. Yes, hours. Let me walk you through the tools that make this possible and how to use them step by step. Step 1. Planning your $100,000 website.
Before you dive into building, it's crucial to identify your website's purpose. What problem will it solve, and who is your target audience?
AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can brainstorm niches and craft unique value propositions tailored to your strengths. While using this AI tool, focus on a niche that aligns with trends or your expertise. Example niches: eco-friendly products, fitness meal plans, or personalized career coaching.
If you're unsure, let AI generate ideas.
Step 2. Choosing your no-code website builder.
Now, let's select the platform that will power your website. The platforms we will be talking about are Webflow, for professional designs and flexibility; Wix, for simplicity and ease of use; WordPress plus Elementor, for scalability and customization. Reloom actually started as a components library for a building tool called Webflow, but the AI website builder that Reloom has just released is completely groundbreaking.
Each platform has its advantages. For instance, Webflow offers an AI assistant to help with layouts.
The first tool, and arguably the game changer, is called Reloom. Originally known as a component library for Webflow, Reloom has leveled up with its groundbreaking AI website builder. This is what makes the magic happen.
Step 3. Generate a sitemap with Reloom. Head over to Reloom's website and find the AI site builder. It starts with a simple prompt: describe the website you want to create. For example, let's say you're building a website for an online school called We Are No Code that helps entrepreneurs launch startups without coding.
Once you hit generate, Reloom instantly creates a sitemap, a blueprint of your website. Think of it as the structure that outlines all the pages, sections, and how they connect. What used to take days of brainstorming and sketching happens in seconds.
Need additional pages? No problem. Just hit generate again, and the AI adds more. You'll get a clean, professional layout with suggestions like an about page, courses, section, blog, and contact form, all customizable. This process saves so much time, and it's just getting started. Step 4. Customize your sections.
Now that we have our sitemap, let's dive into the sections. Each section, from the navigation bar to the hero image and feature lists, is editable. Want to remove a section? Right-click, delete. Need to reorder? Drag and drop.
You can even refine prompts for specific sections. For example, if you're featuring courses, you can tweak the AI to generate tailored content. This level of flexibility lets you adapt your website to fit your exact needs.
Quick question: if you could build a website for any project, what would it be? Drop your ideas in the comments, I'd love to hear them. Step 5. Build a wireframe. Next, we generate a wireframe. A wireframe is essentially the skeleton of your website. It includes all the sections and placeholder content, giving you a clear visual of how the site will look before diving into the final design. Reloom takes it a step further by writing the copy for you. Yes, actual text. If you don't like it, you can tweak it or ask the AI to rewrite it in a different tone. This tool is a massive time saver. It does in minutes what traditionally took weeks.
Step 6. Export to design tools. Once your wireframe is ready, you have 2 options. Export it to Figma, a top-notch design tool for more detailed customization. Push it directly into Webflow, one of the best no-code website builders on the market. For designers, exporting to Figma allows you to fine-tune colors, layouts, and styles with ease. And thanks to Reloom's integration, any changes you make in Figma can update across the entire project. No more manually editing each page. Step 6. Build the final website.
If you prefer to jump straight into building, exporting to Webflow is seamless. Your wireframe transforms into a fully functional website that's responsive and optimized for mobile. Want to replace an image or tweak a section? Just click Upload, and it's done. Webflow makes it incredibly easy to connect your domain, publish your site, and go live in minutes.
Step 7. Elevate with 3D and animation. To take your website to the next level, consider adding 3D elements or animations. Tools like Spline let you integrate 3D mockups, characters, or interactive visuals. These can make a huge difference in how professional and engaging your site looks, perfect for landing high-value clients. Step 8. Monetizing your website.
Your website is live, but how do you turn visitors into income? Strategies. Digital products, sell ebooks, templates, or online courses. Memberships/subscriptions, exclusive content for recurring revenue. Affiliate marketing, tools like Skimlinks automate affiliate partnerships.
AI tools like Durable can analyze trends and recommend pricing strategies tailored to your audience. Part 9. Automation and optimization.
Scaling up means less manual work and more automation. Tools to use. Zapier, sync workflows between platforms. Make.com, advanced automation scenarios. Google Analytics and Hotjar, user behavior tracking.
Imagine automating email replies, data syncing, and lead nurturing with just a few clicks. What's your biggest challenge with website building? Which of these tools would you use first? Found this helpful? Hit like and subscribe for more actionable content. Check out the description for our free guide. It includes all the tools we covered.
Now, for the tool that ties it all together and makes managing your site almost effortless.
With platforms like 10 Web AI Builder or Durable, you can automate updates, backups, and even content creation. Imagine creating an entire network of income-generating sites, all on autopilot.
In just 30 minutes, you now have everything you need to build, launch, and scale a $100,000 website. From planning and designing to monetizing and automating, these tools remove all the barriers. Don't forget to grab our free guide in the description. It's your ultimate companion to today's video. Hit subscribe for more AI-powered tips, and let us know in the comments what kind of site you're planning to build.
See you in our next video.